Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on admin approval on your account, on Messenger, on your group chat, easy and quick. First, click on your group. Now click here, and now click member request, and here just turn it on, and like this, and it will be turned on. That's it. That's how to turn on admin approval on your group chat, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.